This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Adam Carasone. Welcome home to this 2-bed, 2-bath west/open floor plan living room and kitchen. Luxury height cabinetry, center island, under cabinet lighting, stainless appliances, disposal, tile backsplash. The garden tub features grand vanities and a jetted tub. The roomy bedrooms boast incredible California closet and top-level Berber carpet. Premium finishes, enhanced light package with recessed lighting, 5 1/4 crown molding throughout, washer/dryer, 9 ceilings. Elevator in building. HOA includes H20 usage, snow removal, trash, lawn care, cable and internet. Walk to shops, dining and more. Ask about this season's incentive. For more information, review the details below.